Hey guys, it's the holiday season. The best time of the year. Mommy and Dad bought all kinds of nice things for you guys. We bought you guys some toys, an avocado, a lobster, and an ice cream cone. And each one of you something really special. A Momo, a Jetson Nano. A Jetson Nano. It's got 8 gigabytes of memory, 65 tops of computational power. It runs all kinds of models. And for Christmas, for Christmas, Mommy and Daddy got you a Jetson Orin. I know, it's incredible. 67 trillion operations per second, 64 gigabytes. You could use this for models like Llama, Gemma, DeepSeek, QN. You could use this for a real-time chatbot, all for yourself. It is incredible. All yours. That's called a Jetson Thor. You could run anything. 70 billion parameters. This is like having an AI in a box. You could use this for robotics. You could even make yourself a robotic grandpa. Walk you around the yard. I know, that's exciting. Okay, that's yours. Jetson Thor. Merry Christmas. Come on. We have... don't bite my Jetson.